Hi, today's video is regarding HP Deskjet 3630 printer. So I'm going to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. Also load the A4 size sheets. Once you do that, now open the front door. Also open the ink cartridge chamber door. Wait for the ink cartridge chamber to come here. Now press the ink cartridge downwards and it will unlock itself. Now take the new ink cartridges out of the packaging, and this printer uses HP ink cartridge 63 and 63XL for tricolor and black ink. Now to install it or replace it, just place it here and slide it in. Hold the printer with the other hand and push it in. You will hear a lock sound, and that means it's locked here. And do it for the black as well. Now close the main door and the front door. Open the paper output tray. Printer has printed a alignment sheet here. Now we need to scan it. Open the top scanner lid and place the page facing downwards on the right hand side corner, as you can see the icon here. Close the lid and click on the copy button. So it will do the scanning itself and it will adjust for the best print quality. Thanks for watching.